Now this is the explanation of the board work which I had sent you today. Again in Google Meet class on Friday I'll explain it to you. Okay, children? Now see, verb, there are two types of verb. Transitive, intransitive. What is the difference between transitive and intransitive? See the spelling first. Transitive and intransitive. Now see this sentence. Hari kicked the ball. Here verb is kicked. Right? Now if I ask the question kicked what? Kicked what? The answer comes what? Ball. Kicked the ball. So the answer to the question what is ball? That means ball is here the object. Kicked what? Answer is ball. So ball is the object. So this verb is then called transitive. It's called transitive verb. Any verb which has an object, the verb which has an object after it, it is called transitive verb. Written here, see? After the verb kicked, there is a system of asking the question. After the verb kicked, you have to put what? If you get an answer, then it is the object. You cannot ask the question, what Hari kicked? No, not in that way. You have to put the what question after the verb. What should be placed after the verb? Kicked what? Not what Hari kicked. Not in that way. Kicked what? Ball. Ball is object, so it is transitive verb. Another example, see. She gave me a book. Gave is the verb. Gave what? See, gave what? Every time I am putting the what after the verb, not before. Gave what? A book. Book is the object. One more question you can ask. Gave whom? Me, an object. Here we have two objects. She gave me a book. So, I can only ask question with what and whom. Not where, why, no. Only what and whom. Gave what? Gave whom. So any verb which answers the question what and whom, if an object, that is called transitive verb. So gave is a transitive verb. Now see here. Manu loves chocolates. Again, loves what? Chocolate. So love is transitive verb. I am telling you repeatedly, you have to put the question what or whom after the verb, not before. You shouldn't ask the question in this manner. What Hari kicked? Or what Manu loves? Not in this way. Question should be always like kicked what? Loves what? What should be afterwards? What or whom? Whatever. It should be after the verb, not before. What or whom shall be placed after the verb. And only two words. What and whom. Not where, why, how, not all these things. Only two words which answer the question object. Now, intransitive verb. See here. The shop opens at 10 a.m. At. Here they have asked the time. If I ask the question, opens what? I am not getting any answer. Opens what? I am not getting any answer because here it is a time. If the question was opens when, then I would have got the time 10 a.m. But we are not supposed to ask the question when. We will only ask what or whom. So opens what? No answer. No object is there. So open is not transitive. It is intransitive verb. Similarly here. She comes here daily. Comes what? Am I getting any answer? No. Here the question should be comes where? W-H-E-R-E, where? Comes here. But I am not supposed to ask any question with where or why or when. We are only supposed to ask the question with what or whom. So comes what? No answer, no object. So it is intransitive verb. Okay? So always remember we are supposed to ask the question only with what or whom. What and whom and after the verb. Not when, not where. Okay? So if there is an object, it is transitive. If there is no object, it is intransitive.